What if I told you that you can generate a Fibonacci sequence in Excel just using one formula that expands automatically? No dragging, no VBA, just smart use of tables, offset function and row function. Hi everyone, Abdullah here from Al-Kamil BI. In this video, I'll walk you through a powerful Excel formula that dynamically generates Fibonacci numbers inside the table. This is a great example of how to think like an advanced Excel user. Fibonacci sequence simply means each number equals the sum of the previous two. But instead of hard coding or dragging formulas, we will build a smart scalable solution. I created a table and named the column Fibonacci. The table name here is Table 1. This is important because structured references allow the formula to grow automatically. Here is the formula we are using. Don't worry if it looks complex, we will break it down step by step. Let's start with this part. This calculates the position of the current row relative to the table header. So instead of absolute row numbers, we are working with dynamic position inside the table. This is critical because it keeps the formula flexible. Now look at this condition. This means for the first two rows we don't calculate Fibonacci yet, and this part returns 0 for the first row and 1 for the second row. So we automatically generate the starting values 0 and 1. Now the powerful part, the offset function. Let's break it down. First, the starting point, which is the Fibonacci column header. Second, the row offset moves down dynamically to the current row. Height equals -2. This is the trick. It selects the previous two rows. Width stays in the same column. So effectively we are grabbing the two previous Fibonacci values. And finally, we simply add those two values. That gives us the next Fibonacci number. Now watch this. When I add a new row to the table, the formula automatically continues the sequence. This is the power of combining tables with dynamic formulas. This approach is not just for Fibonacci. You can use the same logic for rolling calculations, moving averages, time series analysis. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Al-Kamil BI, and let me know in the comments if you want this converted into Power BI.